Saturday night, mid-April, and I just wanted to check in with everyone and just say thank you again for all of your support and all of your communication. We're living in strange times, and it's really nice to see on comments and everything on YouTube the amazing community that we've created. So let's all stay connected that way, or however we can. I just wanted to say a quick thank you. This just arrived at my doorstep, and what this is a new microphone. That is thank you to all of you who subscribe and donate and all of the things that you do to keep Five Parks Yoga going strong. I think I promised you in my last video when that microphone was a little crackly and it's old and has seen better days that we were gonna get new microphones. So we'll see how it goes. We'll test it out in our next class. And in the meantime, I just wanted to let you all know a couple of exciting things that are coming up. I am putting together, right now, we have 3, I'm gonna use it in air quotes, challenges that we have set up and we're gonna release to you. And the first one that we're gonna release is called a tour of Five Parks Yoga. So for all of you who haven't explored my full channel and everything that there is to offer, we have gone back through the archives and we have 30 days of classes that are a huge variety. So if you are just a vinyasa junkie, which I am, I challenge you. This is the challenge. You don't have to do it 30 days in a row or whatever, but I challenge you to try some different classes. So classes from back when I started, classes that are group classes, classes for my retreat, yin, gentle, vinyasa, challenging, athletes. I hope you enjoy this challenge. We are giving you a couple of different ways to engage. There's gonna be a PDF printout that you can put on your fridge and just check every single day. If you prefer to get email updates, you can sign up that way. You can do all of these options too. A YouTube playlist, that's another option as well. If you are just getting started with your yoga practice, or if you're new to Five Parks Yoga, we're putting together a playlist for beginners. So a beginner crash course for anyone who really wants to dive into yoga and hasn't had a lot of practice or experience. We have also put together a playlist for athletes. So, and you don't have to be an athlete to practice it, but all the classes that I've made for specific athletic pursuits, and that's a really fun one. And the other one is yoga. It's called Traveling Yoga Playlist. So it's 30 days of classes that are taken from all the different places we filmed. So you can go travel with us to Nicaragua and Crested Butte, and Costa Rica and Missouri. So that one should be fun, and lots of different styles. And I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and well and enjoying your yoga practice. I can't thank you enough to all my Patreon supporters and subscribers and everyone who continues to comment and reach out and connect with not just me, but with one another. So stay tuned. There's a lot to look forward to. We'll be releasing these challenges in the next, this week and the next coming weeks, and we'll be filming new classes. Thank you again, and I will see you on your mats. Namaste.